So it all started from a time where I was to watch Inpro Academy from the outside only. Means at the beginning, this was just a platform where it used to teach students how to code from the scratch, but I wasn't a part of them. Like I didn't take the classes, and I chose to work on my own path. That is, I wanted to become a self-learner because I believe that whenever you are learning something, like whenever you are learning A, then we often keep on discovering new things like B, C, or D too. That is, whenever we have got curiosity or whenever we are learning in a self way, then that hunger of learning will become my strength and will learn more and more things. So that's how I had started to learn. So at the very beginning, I had started learning where I used to spend nights debugging, just breaking things and then fixing them again. So I would watch tutorials, build projects, and fail over and over again. Means I didn't used to create project at that time, so it was very hard for me. I didn't used to get that logic. So every time whenever I used to create a project, then there would occur a mistake, and I will just leave that thing. So slowly, I began to understand new things when I got some better tutorials over the internet. So I can give you that if you will prefer in the comment box. So and then I started to learn how the website works, how we do web development. Then from that phase, it made my learning a little bit different. Means I wasn't memorizing code, I was understanding it. So then after I completed the bachelor degree, then something unexpected happened in my life. I was hired by the same place I used to admire from far, means an Inpro Academy. So it wasn't a real thing. I joined as a full stack developer over there, but that journey had just started at that time. Means I was just a one stack guy who had known or who had learned MongoDB, Express, React, Node throughout his entire bachelor time. But at Inpro Academy, they were not using those technology. The system over here was built by Next technology, which I had barely touched in my life. Then the first few months were tough. It wasn't good. Then I had spent my office hour coding, but during the night time, I used to learn all those things which I didn't understand during the day. While others have slept at that time, I was awake fixing bugs, reading documentation, and experimenting with new techniques for optimization. So I learned a lot of things in those quiet hours that no classroom has ever taught me, like how to think like a developer or how to code like a developer. So that has been the crucial part of my life. Then as the time has changed, everything started to change in my life too. I started to solve bigger problems. I started to make a complete project. Then clients who used to see my project started recognizing my work, and within a short time the company started trusting me more and more. Means the trust has been in that level that they gave me some access to server, client projects, and even social media too. That's when it hit me, when the thing come in my life that trust is not given, that it's been on. So every late night I used to spend learning what's paying off. Now still today also I am learning new technologies. I am growing in tech, and it's making me proud. Like not just the code how I write. The code used to make me proud, but not only that, the journey which I am living now, that is making me proud somehow. And from being an outsider looking in and becoming a part of Inpro Academy, so it has been a story of patience, persistence, and purpose. And if there's one thing that I have learned throughout this entire journey is that whenever we're starting something, then you don't need to start big. You just need to start, and slowly, whatever you have dreamed of, that will automatically come to your life. So that's what makes our journey good. So that's why we shall have to keep, we shall have to step forward, and we shall have to try more and more so that we could gain something in our life.